Tunnels are often found in most of our transportation environments, especially on highways. However, due to their unique structures, a demand for higher safety standards is required compared to open roadways. Due to a tunnel's unique acoustic property, conventional voice evacuation systems have proven to suffer poor intelligibility during an emergency broadcast, thus impeding drivers and passengers from understanding the emergency that they are in, posing a risk to life safety in such environments. In a tunnel, using a typical conventional setup with multiple horn loudspeakers distributed throughout the tunnel will always result in poor quality of speech. This is due to the reflection of audio waves inherent in such an environment. Even with a combination of audio signal delays between the horns and loudspeakers, at best the intelligibility of any audio broadcasts in such an environment usually only reaches an STI index of around 0.3. ATEIS tunnel broadcasting solution features the ATEIS LCH70T tunnel loudspeaker, integrated with the ATEIS digital broadcasting system. LCH70T directional horn array loudspeaker is purpose-built with an effective narrow horizontal dispersion angle and extended broadcast capability, effectively reducing sound reflection within the tunnel and extending the distance coverage during a broadcast. When fully integrated with the ATEIS digital signal processors, LCH70T speakers will achieve precise delay settings between each speaker, thus attaining a more uniform sound dispersion throughout the tunnel during the broadcast. ATEIS solution will not only enhance the intelligibility of audio broadcasts within the tunnels to an STI index of 0.45 or better, but also be able to cover the same distance with fewer units of LCH70T speakers compared to conventional horns, significantly reducing both installation and maintenance costs. The ATEIS LCH70T loudspeaker horns are specifically designed for tunnel applications, offering a longer range and higher efficiency solution for clear and intelligible audio broadcasting within tunnels. LCH70T is equipped with a high-output compression driver and designed with a robust structural frame made of flame-retardant fiberglass-reinforced epoxy composite, generating a maximum sound pressure of 132 dB, meeting all installation needs in challenging broadcast environments such as tunnels, parking lots, and metro stations. In comparison to other horn speakers, LCH70T boasts a higher sound pressure level of 132 dB, enabling a broadcast distance of between 50 to 100 meters with only a single unit, reducing installation and maintenance costs while enhancing audio broadcasting intelligibility in all tunnel applications.